In today's world, it's really important to be mindful of children's exposure to chemicals and toxins. Every decision that we make, from the toys they play with to the clothes that they wear, can impact their overall health and well-being for years to come. In this lesson, we'll break down just exactly how to reduce toxins in your child's environment. The good news is that this is totally achievable. With thoughtful choices and a focus on natural organic materials, you can create a nurturing space that promotes health and well-being. Your efforts here will lay the foundation for a lifestyle that benefits your entire family. I suggest beginning with the essentials, such as baby gear, nutrition, and skincare, and then expanding from there. Over time, the process of reducing toxins will involve various aspects of a child's environment, but definitely start with small steps, and gradually you'll establish a more natural and healthy lifestyle for not only you and your children, but your entire family. So here are the top tips for healthy children. We want to minimize products and make smart choices about the products that we do use. We want to avoid items containing PVC, flakelets, and flame retardants. Also, avoiding plastics generally where you can. Don't reuse single-use containers, and don't heat up or microwave food in plastic containers. We want to opt for products made from natural materials like organic cotton, bamboo, or sustainably sourced wood. Opting for non-toxic cleaning products from trusted brands or making your own to lessen the chemical load on your family is a great strategy. So you can refer to our cleaning lesson for more information on this one. Children's skin is more permeable, so really make sure to check the ingredients before using personal care products on your children. They should be free from parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrances, triclosan, BHA, and oxybenzone. So refer to our personal care module for more information on this. You really want to ensure their environment is healthy, so good air quality in the home is essential. We want to ventilate our space as well, add air purifying plants, and consider using air purifiers to reduce our exposure to VOCs and other toxins. Testing for harmful toxins like mold and radon to protect your child's health is an important issue as well. Be mindful of EMF radiation, and taking steps to reduce exposure in this area is really key, especially during pregnancy. So refer to our EMF module for more information on this. Now, avoiding renovations if you can, because this is going to increase the contaminants in the air from things like paint and building materials. So if you do need to renovate, try to ventilate the area for at least a month before children move back in. And choose non-toxic materials for the renovations as well. This is key. So this Prescriptions for a Healthy Home book is awesome further reading if you want to get into more detail about how you can choose the right products. It's pretty dense though. Nutrition and hydration is key. So you want to opt for organic fresh food. So consult the Dirty Dozen list from the Environmental Working Group. This is going to highlight the 12 most pesticide-laden foods for that year. And you want to make sure that you're choosing organic foods that are on that list. Drink plenty of water and prefer filtered over bottled water to reduce exposure to impurities. This is going to be really key. You can consider a reverse osmosis system or carbon filter pitcher. So you can refer to our water lessons for more information on choosing a filter there. And during pregnancy, it's crucial to be extra careful about what you're exposed to, because some toxins can reach the fetus really easily. And you have the power to reduce your and your baby's exposure to harmful chemicals by making some really good informed choices during this super key time. So all the previous information applies here, but in particular, we want to focus on avoiding smoking, of course, eating a diet rich in whole foods, drinking safe filtered water, and just generally making some smart product choices, always going for those safer, less chemical-laden options when you're pregnant. Also, essential oil use may pose some issues while pregnant, especially in that first trimester, so we really want to be mindful about our use of essential oils during this time. In the next lesson, we've given recommendations for different children's products.